Welcome back. For those that don't know me, my name's Heather and I'm the skincare education specialist for Paula's Choice. I'm here today to talk to you about a really important step in your skincare routine, exfoliation. Not only do they improve skin's health, but they also help to gently remove the dead built-up layers of skin on the surface and will enable other products to penetrate better. It's a great step in your routine to ensure your skin is radiant. So let's start with, what is exfoliation? It's not, as you might think, using a scrub daily in your routine. Scrubs can have harsh and even edges which can damage skin further. We'd really recommend using a gentle, well-formulated leave-on exfoliant, an AHA or BHA. These can have amazing benefits to skin and can also target concerns such as sun damage, wrinkles, breakouts, and so much more. So what's the difference between AHA and BHA exfoliants? AHA and BHA products are available in a range of concentrations to target the specific exfoliation needs of different skin types and concerns. AHA and BHAs both fight to reduce wrinkles. They help to stimulate collagen production and also strengthen the skin. But they both have different properties, making them suited to different skin types and concerns. AHAs are best for those with dry skin or skin that's been damaged by the sun. And that's because AHAs help to exfoliate the outer layers of skin whilst also enhancing the skin's moisture levels. Our Skin Perfecting 8% AHA lotion is so great. It helps to keep skin hydrated, radiant, and give it the most incredible supple glow. It also has anti-aging properties, which will really help fight and reduce those wrinkles. Our Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid is an all-round fan favorite for addressing multiple concerns. However, if you suffer with acne-prone skin, try our clear, regular strength anti-redness exfoliating solution, as it's a great choice. We've put some helpful links in the video description about AHA versus BHA exfoliants and to help you find which product is best for you. Once you have your products, it's good to know how to get the most out of the exfoliation process. So let's have a look at how to exfoliate your face. Apply your AHA or BHA exfoliant after the cleanser and toner step in your routine. You can apply them with a cotton pad or your fingers, it's totally up to you. You don't need to wait for your AHA and BHA exfoliants to absorb into skin. You can apply your other products such as your eye cream, serum, treatments or moisturizers straight away. The product's then going to work its magic and unglue the bond holding the dead, dull skin to its surface. And once these bonds are broken, that's when skin sheds the used up cells. Although you won't see the skin exfoliating, you'll soon see the benefits of brighter, younger, healthy looking skin. How often you exfoliate depends on your skin type and concerns. Some people exfoliate with an AHA or BHA twice a day, some once a day, some every other day. Find the frequency that works best for you. We hope this answered any questions you had on exfoliating. As I said, there are some great links in the video description, but if you've got any more comments, please pop them in the box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as we'll be releasing more videos about how to take the best care of your skin, because keeping your skin healthy shouldn't be a mystery.